Before we go to the actual condition of the silica gel transformer, I will explain to you guys about the location of the silica gel and conservator. Conservator located on the top of the transformer. Oil preservation and expansion, or we call it conservator, consists of several parts. MOG, magnetic oil gauge, for indicate the level of the oil. It has magnetic switch to give indication for the level low. Usually, it has no interlock for the transformer operation. Top valve for topping the oil with external pump. Drain valve for drain the conservator oil. Main tank connection to the wall transformer and OLTC tank. Breather pipe which is connected to the silica gel and outside air. And air level glass to indicate the level of the oil if the MOG malfunction. Silica gel located nearby the transformer body, connected to the top of the conservator tank. On the silica gel pot, it has oil pot acts as barrier between silica gel and air when there is no flow of air through silica gel breather.
Di sana di oseng ya.